Hello food lovers, I am Nahida. Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am making super crispy and delicious chicken bread pocket snacks, perfect for tea time, iftar or a quick bite. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Now add 2 Tbsp chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli, half Tsp Pepper Powder, half Tsp Chilli Flakes and half Tsp Salt. Finally, add 2 Tbsp Mayonnaise and mix everything well. Adding cheese makes them extra gooey and delicious. Our creamy flavorful filling is ready. Now, take bread slices and cut off the edges to make them soft and easy to fold. Use fresh bread for easy folding and sealing. Spread a little tomato sauce on each slice, then add the chicken mixture in the center. The chicken mayo filling keeps the inside moist while the outside stays crispy. Don't overfill the pockets or they may open while frying. Now fold the bread carefully into a pocket shape and press the edges firmly to seal. Now preparing the flour slurry. To coat our pockets, take 1/4 cup of flour, half Tsp Chilli Flakes, half Tsp Salt and 1 Tbsp chopped coriander leaves in a bowl. Gradually add half cup water and mix well to make a smooth batter. Now dip each bread pocket into the flour slurry, coating it well. Heat oil on medium heat and fry until they turn crispy and golden brown. You can air fry or bake them for a healthier version. Fry on medium heat so it cooked evenly without burning. For extra crunch, coat with breadcrumb before frying. These snacks are super popular street foods in many countries. Just look at the golden perfection. Your chicken bread pocket snacks are ready to enjoy. Try this chicken bread pocket snack today and share your experience in the comments. Would you try this with cheese or without? Let us know in the comments. Tag a friend who would love this crispy chicken snack. Crispy on the outside, creamy and flavorful on the inside. This is the perfect snack for any time of the day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!